Here are 3 true historical stories. The abdication of King Edward VIII, 1936. In December 1936, King Edward VIII of the United Kingdom made the shocking decision to abdicate the throne. His reason? He wanted to marry Wallis Simpson, an American divorcee, something the British government and Church of England did not approve of. His official abdication speech stated, "I have found it impossible to carry the heavy burden of responsibility without the help and support of the woman I love." This was a constitutional crisis. Edward's younger brother, Albert, took the throne as King George VI. 2. The abduction of Patty Hearst, 1974. In 1974, 19-year-old heiress Patty Hearst was abducted from her apartment by a domestic terrorist group called the Symbionese Liberation Army, SLA. This abduction shocked the US. She was from one of the wealthiest families in the country. Over time, she appeared to join her abductors, even taking part in a bank robbery. Many speculated about Stockholm Syndrome, while others debated whether she was acting under duress. Her case raised difficult questions. Was her transformation an aberration caused by trauma, or was she manipulated into becoming a willing accomplice? Eventually, she was arrested and convicted, but later her sentence was commuted. She was eventually pardoned by President Bill Clinton. 3. The first laparoscopic surgery, 1987. In 1987, French physician Dr. Philippe Mouret performed the world's first laparoscopic gallbladder removal, a technique that involved entering the abdomen with minimal incisions. This abdominal surgery revolutionized modern medicine. Unlike traditional operations that required large cuts through the abdominal wall, this method caused less pain and quicker recovery, even though it required great skill. During the operation, doctors had to be careful not to damage the abductors of the leg, muscles near the hip that allow abduction or movement of the limb away from the center of the body. This was no aberration in medical history. It was the start of a new era in abdominal procedures. Today, patients can even resume abdominal workouts or abdominal muscle strengthening weeks earlier than before. Many of the words are used in set expressions, idioms, or common phrases in English. Abdicate. Abdicate responsibility. Отказаться от ответственности. He always tries to abdicate responsibility when something goes wrong. Abdication. An abdication of duty, an abdication of responsibility. Уклонение от долга, отказ от ответственности. Her silence was seen as an abdication of leadership. Abdomen, pain in the abdomen, боль в животе. He complained of a sharp pain in the lower abdomen. Abdominal surgery, операция на брюшной полости. The patient underwent abdominal surgery last night. Abdominal pain, боль в животе. She went to the ER with severe abdominal pain. Abdominals. Work on your abdominals. Train your abdominals. Качать пресс. He goes to the gym every morning to train his abdominals. Tighten your abdominals. Напрячь мышцы пресса. Tighten your abdominals during this exercise. Abduct. Abduct someone at gunpoint. Похитить кого-то под дулом пистолета. The child was abducted at gunpoint near the park. A case of abduction. Случай похищения. Police are investigating a case of abduction. Child abduction. Похищение ребенка. Child abduction is a serious crime with heavy penalties. The abductor fled the scene. Похититель скрылся с места преступления. The abductor fled before the police arrived. Aberrant behavior. Ненормальное поведение. The teacher noticed the student's aberrant behavior and reported it. Aberration. A temporary aberration. Временное отклонение в поведении, в ситуации. His sudden outburst was just a temporary aberration. A moral aberration. Moralное отклонение. Torture is considered a moral aberration in civilized society.